my dear friends, welcome to SDTechWalk. You are in SDTechWalk for the first time. Do click on subscribe button and hit on the bell icon too so that you will never miss the further videos from SDTechWalk. Okay, this video is about Python sets or sets in Python. The topics discussed in this video are what is Python set, how to create Python sets, adding items to the set, removing items from the set, and few Python set operations. Let's move on to the video now. What is Python set? A Python set is the collection of unordered, unindexed, unique items. The items in the set are immutable, but the set as a whole is mutable. This is my Python set. Okay, now how to create Python sets? There are two ways how we can create Python sets. One is using curly brackets and the other one is using set method. Okay, let's move on to the Python editor and I'll show you with an example. So S is equal to, using curly brackets, I want to create a set object. Okay, this is my set. Let me check what is the type of the set. Type of S. Yes, I am able to create successfully an object of class set. That is my S. Now let me print and see what is the value of S. Yes, we are able to create and display the values from the set. Now this is the first method. The next method I'll show you how to create using set method. Since it is iterable values, more than one values I am going to give. I need to use square brackets 1, 1, 2, 3 and I can use some string also. Some floating point values also we can use. Okay. Now let's print the type of S and the value of S2 will print. Yes, we are able to create and print a set variable successfully. So this is how we need to create. Okay, let me show you how to create an empty set. S is equal to, using curly brackets, we can able to create it. So print S. Yes, we have created here. It's an empty set. Let me check what is the type of this. Print type of S. I am expecting set here. Oh, I have got here as a dictionary. But I have created as an empty set. So this is not the way how to create an empty set. We are not able to create an empty set in this way. Then how to create an empty set? S is equal to, using set method. Now let me print S and let me print what is the type of S. Yes, I am able to create an empty set and it is a set object. So please do remember that using curly brackets we cannot create an empty set. We need to use the set method to create an empty set. So this is how we can able to create Python sets. Now the next thing what we are going to discuss is how to add items to the set. So adding items to the set. Here again we have two methods how I can add elements to the set. Elements, or we can call items too. There are two methods. One is using add method, another one is using update method. Using add method I can able to add single element, and using update method I can able to add multiple elements. So let's take an example. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 3 values I will take. Now I want to add one more value in this. Let me add 4. And let's print and see what is the value of S. I am expecting 4 to be added in this. Yes, 4 is being added. Now let me use an update method so that I can able to update more than one value. I can able to add more than one value. When we go for more than one, it is an iterable, so we have to use within square brackets. So I am specifying 1, 4, 5, 7, 9. And one floating point value also I will specify. Print S. You can notice that 1 is already present in the set. Again, I am trying to update 1 in that. So let me see how many times 1 is been given. Yes, you can see here 1 is given only once, so that the sets avoid duplicate values. And you can see it is unordered. I have added 1.5 at the end, but I have got here. So I cannot index. So we are not able to access using the index values. Okay, fine. This is how we can add the elements to the set. Now let me show you how to remove elements from the set. So removing items from the set. Next we'll remove the items from the set. So this is my S now, the set now. There are 3 methods how I can remove elements from the set. The first one is pop. So using pop method I can able to remove. So which element it will remove? It will remove an arbitrary set element. Any element it will remove. So let me try which element it has removed. Print of S. One element I am expecting it should be removed. Yes. I see here 1 is being removed from this. So any element it can remove. The next method what I have is the method called remove method. So S dot remove, and you can specify which element you want to remove. So let me say 2 has to be removed, and I'll print S. So I'm expecting 2 must be removed from this. Yes, 2 is being removed. The other method what I have is discard method. So this method is called discard method. Here also you can specify an element which you want to discard, means remove from that. So print of S, I want to remove 9 from that. 9 has to be deleted. Yes, 9 is being deleted. Then what's the difference between remove and discard method? It's performing the same thing. Now let me show you if the element is not present, 1 is not present, and I'm using the remove method. So what happens? Let me show you. 1 is not present. Yeah, here you are getting an error. Key error 1. That means what is the meaning? 1 is not present. If I am trying to remove the element which is not present in the set, it's giving me an error. So now the same thing I'll try with the discard method. 1 is not present. So I'll try to remove 1 using the discard method. The same value only I'm giving here. Let me try. So what is the output? 1 is not present. Yes, it's not showing me any error. So that's the difference between your discard and remove. So the remove method and discard method both will remove the element from the set, and in the remove, if the element is not present, it will throw an error. Discard method, if the element is not present, it will not show you any error. It will just continue with the thing. Okay, and now the last method what I'm going to show you is called the clear method. So seeing the name itself, we'll know what it is. Clear method will clear all the elements. Means it will delete all the elements. So let me execute and see now. Yes, it's an empty set. I don't have any value. S is present. The set is present, but the elements in the set, all the values or the elements in the set is deleted or it is been removed. So this is about our adding and removing elements from the sets. And now let's move on to some Python set operations. There are n number of operations. We are going to discuss only few operations, and using the whole of these few operations you can able to perform the other operations too. So the first operation what we are going to see is union operator, union operation. So using two ways we can perform this. One is using pipe symbol, that is using pipe operator. The other one is using union method. So what is about union? I think in mathematics we might have studied union, intersection, all those things. So union of two sets contains all the elements that are present in both the sets. So two sets I need now. I'll take set 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one string SDTechWalk. I'll take these values, and B is the other one. I'll make 1 and 2 as common, and I'll make 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, so these are the values. Let me print of A and print of B. So let me run and see. just to have the values in that, that's all. So we have two sets now, A and B. We are going to perform now union operation. The two methods we have, I'll create one more set object C, which is equal to A or B, A or B. Now print C. So all the elements whatever is present in A and B must be the output. Yes, that's right, I have got. Now the same thing can be done using union method. So A dot, I have a method called union method, union with B, and just print C. Yes, the same output only I have expected, so I have got the same thing. The next operation what we are going to discuss is intersection operation. So what I mean by intersection, it gives the set of elements that are common in both the sets. So both the sets which is present in common, that will be displayed. So how can I do that? Again, same two ways we have. One is using and operator. We can do A and B. Print C. I can execute and check here. Yeah, 1 and 2 is in common in A and B, so that is being displayed. And same thing can be done using A intersection B. Print C. Okay. Yes, that's fine. Intersection also we can able to perform. Now the next operation what we are going to see is difference operation. Difference. So what do you mean this difference? A minus B, if I tell, the resulting set will be obtained that elements of A which is not present in B, that is my A minus B. So how can I perform this? Using minus A minus B. And let me print C, and same thing can be done using A difference B. So the output what I am expecting is elements of A which is not present in B. Yes, 1 and 2 is present in B. So which is not present in B is 3, 4 and SDTechWalk. So this is my difference. And one more thing also we'll discuss now about the symmetric difference. So the next method what we are going to discuss is about symmetric difference. Yes, I need to know what is the symmetric difference. It removes the elements which is present in both the sets. So let me show you with an example. How can I perform? Again we have cap symbol, A cap B, and we can go for printing C. So the output is the elements which is present in both the sets. Sorry, both the sets it will remove and the remaining elements it will be printed. So in both the sets we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 is removed. 3, 4, 5 and SDTechWalk from set 1 and 6, 7, 9 from the set 2. Yes, right. What I told is right. So now the same thing using symmetric method 2 we have A dot symmetric difference of B. Now print C. This is not only with A and B, we can perform with more than one sets also, finding the difference, union and all those things. Yeah, I have got the same result. So that is my symmetric difference. So these are few operations what we have performed here. There are n number of operations. This as a base, you can try the other operations too. So here we have come to the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and the topics whatever we have discussed here is what is Python set, how to create Python sets, adding items to the set, removing items from the set, and few set operations like union, intersection, difference and finding symmetric difference. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please give me a like and share with your friends. If any doubts are there, you can give me in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.